The water-full error on your Hair portable air conditioner is one of the most common issues you'll encounter. Understanding what causes this error and how to fix it will save you time and frustration. The error appears as water full, FL, or stop on your unit's display. These codes all indicate the same thing. Your internal water tank is full and needs to be emptied. This happens because air conditioners remove moisture from the air as they cool. The warm, humid air passes over cold coils, causing water vapor to condense into liquid water that collects in an internal tank. The first step to fix this error is simple. Drain the water tank. Locate the drain plug at the bottom rear of your unit. Remove the plug and let the water drain into a pan or bucket. If the error persists after draining, the problem might be a stuck float switch. This sensor detects the water level in your tank. Debris or mineral buildup can cause it to stick, triggering false alarms. Finally, ensure your air conditioner is placed on a completely level surface. Uneven surfaces can interfere with the float switch sensor and cause false water full errors even when the tank isn't actually full. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the water full error, we need to examine deeper issues that could be causing persistent problems. First, inspect the drain line for kinks or clogs. A blocked drain line prevents proper water flow and triggers false water full alerts. A dirty air filter can cause the evaporator coil to freeze, leading to excess condensation and water buildup. This creates a cycle where the water tank fills faster than normal. For frequent water full errors, consider setting up continuous drainage. This eliminates the need to manually empty the tank and prevents interruptions. If problems persist after these steps, the issue may be a faulty sensor or low refrigerant levels. Contact Hair customer support at 1-877-337-3639 for professional assistance. Regular maintenance is key to preventing water full errors. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks during heavy use, inspect drain lines monthly, and ensure your unit is level for proper drainage.